get an Aston Martin. Looking forward to building that one. I hope the coloration of the print for the windscreen is good. Shelf brands or stores to look for displaying complete sets. Going to be moving out. Want to display your collection? I mean, most people use IKEA because it's cheap and effective, and cheap and looks decent. But there are 2 or 3 of their specific models that get used a lot. But I wouldn't limit yourself. I would definitely shop around. I think the most important thing is that you make good use of the exact space that you have and do your interior design in a way that you're comfortable with and happy with. Glad it's a print instead of stickers, yeah. Your question, did Dirty Harry say, do you feel lucky, Punk? He did not. When rinse green coloration on the Aston Martin is a little off. Okay. IKEA standard width, Billy, went up by 40? Oh no, 40? What is the total price for one of those now? AZ. Oh no, 40? That's significant. Getting in some Destiny right on it. It's 90 now. God. That can add up quickly, but at least it is an investment, a long-term investment. It's rough, but still has to be one of the cheapest options you can get. I know oh boy, I got some internet issues going on here. Always fun. Kappa.
Oh no!
With the tap test, you don't know if there's any quality. You mean like just like listening to it? IKEA has a partnership with Lego. That's I like that. Del Torf went from 60 to 100. To an IKEA since 2019. Next visit will be a price shock. The scales all over the place, yep. Knocking on the board and listening? Yeah, you can't tell from that. They actually use pretty advanced construction techniques. Can't tell by the weight, can't tell by the sound, can't tell by the look. The resin that's used make a big difference. The mix of fibers make a big difference. Yep, we're not gonna do almost cursing. Even abbreviated stuff. Stay away from that. Just keep it clean. Made the mistake of using Vizio Now I have to change to Bill. Oh, what's wrong with it? You need a bath. You've been here since the beginning. You know what this is. Property prices going up so much, unlikely anyone under 30 is going to be able to afford an apartment. Might as well spend their last cash on a Billy and a 300-part Lego set. Why does this look wrong? Oh, this is the way. They're not adjustable. Oh, the height isn't adjustable? Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry. Bandai engineers. Hello, Billin. This is Bandai in Japan. How's it going? So there's this thing called